Alright, what is going on, guys? Custom Monster here. So as you can see on the screen right now, AllroundRC posted this awesome comment on my last Custom RC Weekly video. So he wants to know all about what camera stuff I use for my RC on the first-person view. So that's a / GoPro. To answer your question, I'm using the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Yes, that is a pretty old camera, but it works. It shoots in 4K. It does the trick. I'm going to show you a few editing tips to get some really clear footage in the following video. So let's go ahead. Stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, this is the raw clip. It is really light. It seems almost overexposed, but it's kind of the GoPro's tendency to kind of bring this lighter, grainy kind of texture to it. You'll see now it feels a lot lighter, but as you see, we get deeper into the run, it's a lot richer. You can see the clay is a lot richer of a brown color, and even the battery connector you can see right there. So let's go ahead, go into the iMovie. Let's go into this random movie that I set up. Go ahead and get a clip out. First thing I'm going to do is mute it. Nothing to see here. So yeah, we're going to go ahead, and this is one where I'm doing some speed runs with the slash, as you saw in a few minute videos ago. But as you can see, pretty light, and this is a pretty sunny day. It's not really going to apply on other days, but yeah, so let's go ahead, trim that down just to right there, just to get the good stuff. Hopefully that'll be just perfect. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this little effects icon. If you're not using iMovie, I don't know how you're going to do this, but this effects icon is perfect for this setting. Now you're going to go into clip filter, as seen in the upper corner. And now it's preset to none, and as you can see, I'm going to go ahead, and there's a bunch of different little settings that you can see that really opens the possibilities of what you want your video to look like. But we're going to be focusing on this feature right here that's called hard light. It makes it super easy to go ahead and make these videos more vibrant color-wise. So yeah, I just selected that, and now as you can see the greens of the grass are a lot more vibrant as well. So that's really important to me, as I really want to make the best 4K video quality in my videos. So let's do one more example. I'm going to go ahead and let's see. I'm going to go ahead. Let's bring in this Mini 8 drift wheels project that I did a while ago. And as you can see, let's go ahead and scroll it over to some action. But basically, you can see right now there's this kind of haze over it. I'll show you what I mean in the settings. So again, clip filter, just like that. And now I'm going to go back to none. You can see kind of the haze over top. And now you got the normal clip filter, which has none of that. So yeah, that's really easy, simple way to do it. Now for a little bit more editing and post, I'm going to go ahead and show you on these first two clips. Let's do this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and go into the palette, which is in manual settings, and now you can mess with the lighting, see just how you want it. Usually the stock or the standard lighting is pretty good. I like to have a little bit less and a little bit darker, just to bring out the colors a little bit more. So as you can see here, it's a little bit light in the beginning. You can always split to something a little bit darker if you'd like to, but this is how I do it. Again, shooting in 4K on the GoPro, and yeah, so we make it into that, and then here, of course, is that slash footage that we just edited, and finally this this car footage that I have not turned the volume down. So anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys. Thank you to AllroundRC for this awesome question. Hope this answered your question. Again, iMovie comes pretty much standard on all Apple computers. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was enjoyable, helpful. Any questions, any more requested videos, I'd love to do them for you, so please comment down below. Thanks.